Today we are going to learn about properties of rational numbers. First we will see closure property. Here when we add two rational number, the answer will also be a rational number. Here I have taken 5 by 3 as A minus 3 by 2 as B. When we add these two rational number, I have got the answer 1 by 6 which is rational number. So we come to know rational numbers are closed under addition. In subtraction, the difference of two rational numbers will also be a rational number. Here I got the answer 19 by 6 which is also a rational number. So we come to know rational numbers closed under subtraction. In multiplication, the product of two rational number is also a rational number. Here minus 15 by 6 also a rational number. Rational numbers are closed under multiplication. In division, when we divide two rational number, the answer always will not be a rational number. Here I got the answer minus 10 by 9. This is a rational number. Suppose if I take a denominator as 0, the answer will not be defined. So we come to know the rational numbers not closed under division. Now we will see commutative property. In addition, A plus B equal to B plus A. When we interchange the numbers, the answer should be equal. Here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. After this calculation, I got the answer 2 equals to 2. That means left hand side equals to right hand side. So we come to know addition is commutative for rational numbers. In subtraction, A minus B equal B minus A. Here I applied the numbers into the property. I got the answer. LHS side is 2, RHS side is minus 2 which is not equal. So we come to know subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. In multiplication, A into B equals to B into C. I applied the numbers into the property. I got the answer 3 by 2 equals to 3 by 2. So now we come to know multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. In division, A divided by B equals to B divided by A. I applied the numbers in the property. I got the answer 3 which is not equal 1 by 3. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we come to know division is not commutative for rational numbers. Now we will see associative property. In addition, A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Here I have taken the value A as 4 by 3, B as 1 by 3, C as 5 by 3. After I applied all these numbers into this property, I got the answer 10 by 3 equals to 10 by 3 which means LHS equal RHS. So addition is associative for rational numbers. In subtraction, A minus B minus C equals to A minus B minus C. Here I have applied the numbers into the property, got the answer 8 divided by 3 which is not equal minus 2 by 3. So subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. In multiplication, A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Here I applied the numbers into the property, I got the answer left hand side equals to right hand side. So multiplication is associative in rational numbers. In division, A divided by B divided by C equals to A divided by B divided by C. After this calculation, I got the answer left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So here division is not associative for rational numbers. Distributive property over addition. A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Here I have applied the numbers minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equals to minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. This minus 4 by 3 is distributed to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. First we have to complete this portion because it is in the bracket. So what we will get? We have same denominator 2. 4 divided by 2, we can cancel this 4 by 2. Right hand side minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. This 4 also can be cancelled by 2. We will get minus 2 here. Here 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. We can cancel this 3 into 3. This 4 2 minus 2. So we will get answer minus 2 divided by 1. Here minus 2 divided by 3. At last we got the answer minus 8 by 3. Here also minus 8 by 3, which means left hand side equals to right hand side. Distributive property over subtraction. This is nothing but instead of addition we are using subtraction symbol here. A into B minus C equals to A into B minus B into C. After applying the numbers in the property, I got the answer 4 by 3 equals to 4 by 3. Left hand side equal right hand side. Distributive property is one of the important property in rational numbers. This property will be used for solving many problems and calculations. This tabular column will be useful for you to remember the properties for rational numbers. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video.